Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a brand new 2018 Ford F-150 SuperCrew Platinum Series. It's white platinum tri-coat in exterior color. It's powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission with auto start-stop technology and electronic shifting 4-wheel drive. This model has a satin finish grille, LED high beams, low beams, daytime running lights, and a pair of halogen fog lamps. It's equipped with alloy 20-inch Platinum Edition wheels, chrome mirror caps, door handles with intelligent access key, and power folding mirrors with bliss blind spot monitors. We have an overhead twin-panel moonroof, a set of privacy tinted rear windows, a short box, and an FX4 off-road package. At the rear we have the signature platinum stainless steel tailgate. We have a chrome tailgate handle and a body-colored rear bumper. We have rear park sensors, a 7 and 4-pin electrical hookup for the trailer tow package, a power locking tailgate, LED tail lamps, rear tailgate step, LED box lighting, and a box link management system. The Platinum comes with bliss blind spot monitoring mirrors, a black interior with a black wood grain, power windows, power locks, and memory seating, premium door speakers and sound system from B&L Audio. We have LED side lighting, automatic headlamps, power adjustable brake pedals, a power heated steering wheel. It features cruise control, menu zones for the media, and a sync voice activated control switch, a flow-through center console, active park assist controls, lane departure warning, and a 2-tone Platinum Edition seat. They're heated and ventilated and feature power controls and lumbar support, plus a massage seat function. Has the overhead twin-panel moonroof and power sunshade, a place to store your glasses, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, and a push-button engine start. A nice productivity screen for the driver. You'll find electronic shifting 4-wheel drive, trailer's backup system, and brake controller are standard, as well as a Sync 3 touchscreen with navigation, 360-degree camera system, hill descent cruise control, and 6 months of prepaid Sirius satellite radio. At the climate zone, you'll be comfortable using heated and cooled seats with air conditioning, rear window defrost, and we have the ability to charge your electronic devices on 12-volt, 110, or smart charge USB ports, plus have additional storage in that walk-in glove box. Your rear passengers will love your truck. You have a 60-40 split bench with lots of leg and headroom and heated outboard seats, a 12-volt and 110 power outlet, 2 smart charge USB ports, a set of storage pockets in the backs of the seats and cup holders, and the overhead moonroof, plus second row power windows, door speakers, and door storage pockets. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to answering any questions you may have, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.